Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the new Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video, I am going to do a pseudo unboxing and then give you a quick look at one of my favorite collections. So I hope this video is not too long. Before we get started, I would just like to thank those of you who suggested that I film in landscape, and especially to the Bag Hound, because she was the first one that suggested that after my last video. And as Says What can attest to, that doesn't really work, especially on my older iPhone, because when we were in Chicago at the meet and greet, I tried that, and Says What witnessed that it filmed upside down. So I couldn't really upload upside down videos, so I had to film portrait. So thank you to the Bag Hound. I am going to try this, and we are going to see if with this new iPhone 8 I can actually film in landscape without uploading a video that is upside down. All right, so I have begun the process of unboxing because really, who wants to sit there and watch me pull stuffing out of a bag? So here's the stuffing, most of it that I've already pulled out, and then here's the box, which concerned me a little bit when I picked it up from Walgreens because, yeah, it had holes in it. Not only did it have holes in it, it was pretty mangled, and so I was concerned. However, the item arrived in pretty good shape, and this is the item that I picked up. It is the Dooney & Bourke Black Gym Duffel in the DB 1975 Shiny It pattern. There's the gold logo plate, and you will see her belting. Carries all the way through the bottom of the bag and then around to the back. Let me just show you the tag there. And this bag was on sale, so I did not pay $328 for it. Here is a glimpse at her rolled handles, and as always, the beautiful and elegant Dooney & Bourke stitching there on the handles, as well as on the top of the bag with the zipper. And the inside there, it really, even though this is a gym duffel, it has the same setup as a handbag because there are the two different size slips. And then there is the zip and the slip. And then she has the key keeper, and she has a shoulder strap. Again, this is not a large bag, but I am downsizing. I don't really need a large bag, but what I did feel like I needed was a Dooney & Bourke travel piece. I did not have one, and I am in love with all things 1975 Shiny It, Madison, Maxi Quilt, Shadow DB. I am really a fan of the black background with the multicolored DBs. So, because I did not have a Dooney & Bourke travel piece, I decided to use this gym bag to add to my collection. So that is the piece that I unboxed. And let me just swing the camera around and share with you some of the other pieces from this and similar collections. So we'll start over here with my Greta, my one and only Greta piece, which is the clutch wallet that has, of course, a strap, but I don't have her strap attached right now. As much as I love the Dooney & Bourke logo and the Gretas, the Madisons, and all of those collections, this is really my only piece from the Greta collection. I have nothing else except this clutch wallet. All right, so moving over here, this is my hobo, and This is actually Madison, even though she looks like Maxi Quilt. This is just a plain cotton hobo. She has no outside pockets. She does have feet. She has a crossbody strap, but I have her short shoulder right now. She's a great bag to carry because she's lightweight, she's versatile, and she has the short shoulder and the crossbody strap. There's her gold logo plate. Then there's my DB 1975 cosmetic case and the Madison Chelsea. Coming down, here is the Madison Pouchet, which in any other material is known as ginger. She has a front pocket. And then here is the DB 1975 Shiny It Bitsy bag. And let me tell you, I had to search far and wide because I let her get away from me on I Love, and then when I decided that I wanted this, I had to go to the Bay to find her. So here is the dome satchel in the Shiny It, and then here is the Madison large zip around wallet, and then here, this is the Cindy tote with the matching cosmetic case. And you all, for the life of me, I cannot remember what this pattern is called. It's not Madison. It's obviously not the DB 1975. I really can't recall what the pattern is. This is my Maxi Quilt satchel in the color Mushroom. And last but not least, we have the DB logo in the shadow pattern. There it is in the black cosmetic case, and then in cream in this logo lock satchel, which is another cotton piece that's very easy to carry because it's lightweight and it's a great size. And then the logo lock, of course, there's the duck side and the Dooney and Burke side, but of course I carry her on the duck side. So I now have a new piece added to my collection of the Dooney and Burke logo pieces, my favorite collection. All right, there you have it, handbaggers. Thanks for dropping by. I will put the dimensions of the gem duffel in the description. Thank you all, and as always, happy carrying.